We learned that your filling station was one of the stations and recreational facilities and leisure places that we are sealed today by operatives from the government house alleging security breach. What do you have to say?
Well, first, let me clarify. There was no allegation. Rather, King Herod, in his usual characteristic style, dispatched his security operatives to seal businesses of persons who haven't done anything to him. So, a person who contributed their own personal resources to making him the governor of Rivers State.
In your own instance, your filling station, what was the reason for sealing your filling station?
As you speak, there is no reason whatsoever that have been adduced by the security personnel from government house who are still there with patrol van. Government has patrol van. There is no reason. They arrived there by 1 a.m. midnight this early morning, and still the three business places for no just cause.
But was there any probably notification to you or to probably all the others affected?
No notification of any sort. No notification of any sort. Like in my own case, they arrived at the filling station. When they came in, there are two security operatives there. Well, you cannot see a policeman and not open your door if you have clear conscience, if you are not committing any crime. They came in, they went around with them. No one bottle, 50 liters of water or petroleum product was found anywhere. The simple implication is that I am not, and I will never be involved in illegal bunkering. I'm a genuine businessman. I do my business genuinely. When they couldn't find anything, they came out, used the key they came with from government house, locked the gate, and positioned 4 patrol van. Now, you can imagine a situation where in every patrol van, you have 5 police personnel. 5 times 4, 20, superintending only 2 security operatives that doesn't have gun. That's the scenario we have there now.
Okay. Can you give us an insight, maybe what actually led to your perceived or seeming rift or face-off with the governor, if there is any?
The governor is fighting himself. That is the truth. He's fighting himself because we supported him to be governor of Rivers State from 2011 when we fought the past administration of Rotimi Amechi to stand still. Supported him with our own personal resources. Austin Opara, right honorable former deputy speaker, was the arrowhead of the campaign to make Wike governor. Fortunately, we succeeded. In 2015, I was his agent for Port Harcourt local government. The military terrorism that happened, I was a beneficiary. The other man that he sealed his hotel is the party chairman of Port Harcourt. The other one is a former assembly member. So we are actors in the system for Port Harcourt that contributed to making him governor. And Austin Opara is our leader, through which we supported him wholeheartedly with our heart and our personal resources. I mean, Austin Opara was his agent in the immediate presidential primaries of the PDP, for which he lost. We are party men. We are party members. We have been in PDP since 1998, for crying out loud. All the political offices we have, some of us have held, has been through PDP. So we will abandon the party that Austin Opara met with Atiku Abubakar, that I met with Atiku Abubakar is our offense. I mean, we are not in the judicial empire. We are in a democratic republic.
Is there any known court order before the sealing of your filling station and others that were affected?
Manufacture that tomorrow because he has the judiciary in Rivers State in his pocket. So if you manufacture that today, I won't be surprised. But as we speak, there is no known court order. Just that the policemen are there based on his orders.
And those of you who are affected, what's your reaction to that particular invasion? If right now you can say illegal invasion of your property.
That's the correct word. It's an invasion. That is the appropriate word. It's an invasion. Because first, you have not been told what you did. The place was sealed. The 3 business centers were sealed because we are known. He has threatened. Nigerians and the world all over knew. A few weeks ago, He threatened that those who are challenging him, that he will fight them, he will deal with them. He has started manifesting it. So as we speak, there's no court order, no nothing. Just that the policemen are there. And as patriotic Nigerians, we do not want to break the law. So I cannot ask anybody to go and challenge the policemen there. We are asking questions for the police high command. Why are you here? As we speak, the state PPRO of police said they are not aware that here. The state commissioner of police, Friday Buka, said he doesn't know that his men are anywhere here. But we all know these are the government house security patrol team because they were led by his security officer to these places.
If they say they are not aware that their men are there, so what are they still doing there? Or are they above the CP of the state? Are they taking orders from the governor as against the CP?
Yes, there is an arm of the security known as SYMFONI that is under the direct control of the governor and the chief security officer that he has been using to terrorize the state. These are the people that he used for these nefarious activities, not the conventional police that is under the commissioner of police in the state command.
And what are you people likely to do in the face of all this intimidation and harassment?
Oh my God, God is fighting for us and we are in the strategy room. We won't let it go. He can have it.
As a member of the House and the people who fashion out laws for us, does the governor have the right, or does any governor have the right to seal a property without court order, without any reasons used for that?
That is what Rivers State have been reduced to. That is why we have King Herod of Rivers State. That is what he can do. He has said it. He has demonstrated it before. So for me, I've told him, don't destroy it. Add it to what you have primitively acquired from Rivers State. Add it to you and go with it at the end of your tenure as governor, which is less than 9 months from today. It doesn't, because the property in question have a C of O issued by the Rivers State government. In March of this year, they issued us 10 grand rent, which we paid. Filling station is licensed by the federal government under DPR, different. So he does not have control over it. Over and above that, there is no sort of illegal activities going on in the place. Assuming you want to investigate, will you come at midnight when nobody is there? Even when you go and you didn't find anything, is it not for you to go and leave the place rather than you seal the place under key and lock and put the keys in your pocket because you want to show that you have power?